Well, it's actually 9:03, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Welcome everybody to the call. What I'm going to do here tonight is I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we have. Our company is Team Effort Network. This kind of will give you a little bit of a company overview. We have Mel and Amy Gill, which is actually out of San Ramon, California, and they entered into the direct selling industry in 1989. Again, I want to say 1989, and founded their own company in 2002. Team Effort Network is a privately held, debt-free company with global offices in Northern California, USA. We just launched with the fifth generation of nutrition. We launched in February the 8th of 2014 in Las Vegas. But again, I want to say that this is not a new company. We want to go back, and we have 11-year track success with Mel and Amy from their prior company of My Video Talks. So what Mel and Amy has brought to us is the fifth generation of nutrition with a product that has effectivenesses. We have a market for all of the products. We have a family-owned CEO, and we have a payout plan that's one and unphenomenal. So before I go into the products, I want to say please keep in mind that TEN does not make any medical claims to treat, heal, cure, or prevent any diseases, but we can provide you with people who will share their testimonies. We've had great testimonies from around the world that we hear on a weekly basis. So the first product that I'd like to introduce to you all tonight is our product that's called Slim. And what this product is, as we all know, is for weight loss. It's great for weight and fat reduction. It's reduction of your waist and hips, burns unwanted fat. It regulates the thyroid, and it has improved memory. It has what we call Garcia Cambodia, which we all know that Dr. Oz promotes this as the fat-burning ingredient. We have green tea, the African mango, the stevia, and the Cambalia famberata, and the green coffee bean. What I want to say personally about the African mango is being in South Africa myself, seeing that, they buy the African mangoes by 25-pound bags. So this is great for the digestive system. And this is our first product, and it's called Slim by 10, which is great for weight loss. Our next product that I want to talk about is D-Power. D-Power, vitamin D deficiency plays a role in 17 types of cancer: heart disease, stroke, depression, diabetes, osteoporosis, autism, bone pain, muscle weakness, and Parkinson's disease. Vitamin D can play a role in the prevention and treatment of type 1 and type 2 diabetes, as well as multiple sclerosis. Now, what we want to say about vitamin D is less sun equals less vitamin D equals less health. We all know that we don't go outside enough to get enough sunshine in our daily lives because of our lives being so stressful. Less time outdoors because we have air-conditioned TV, and less work outdoors, and just feel that, we'll have skin cancer and wrinkles. So everybody is, a way to get your vitamin D level checked is through a blood test. You want your vitamin D level anywhere between 30, 50 to 80. So our next product is B-Boost, which is our energy vitamin. It helps fight against fatigue, asthma, vision problems, migraine headache, again, osteoporosis, type 1 diabetes, bone pain, muscle pain, and we have the vitamin B3, we have the vitamin B6, vitamin B12. It is sweetened with stevia and peppermint. And again, what we want to say about vitamin B is we all know that we age. Doctors usually start recommending a vitamin B12 shot. But we want to know that that is becoming delete because the doctors are not going to no longer be given those. So now with our next product is Super 10. This product is the Mockyberry green tea, Asaki berry, peppermint, and goji berry. Now let's think about the juice companies that was out here promoting just one ingredient that made millions of dollars as to why this was a great antioxidant for the body. This is great for healthy digestion. Detoxify your body. Think about every day with your cell phones, computers, just breathing the air in the world, the food that we eat. We all know that we need to detox our body. Stimulate your metabolism, reduce inflammation, treats constipation, oxidates for the skin and anti-aging, increase energy level, and dental health. So we all need Super 10 on a daily basis. Now, last, I want to talk about Cell Energy. That's our last product. This is one of the most powerful mother antioxidants in the world. It has an ingredient that's called glutathione. This is great for your immune system, increased energy, increased stamina, anti-inflammatory, diabetes type 2, heart disease, stroke, weight loss, improved joint function, anti-aging, Alzheimer's, dementia, autism, arthritis, and cancer. Think about the people that you know in the circle that you're in that could use the Cell Energy, Super 10, the B-Boost, our D-Power, and weight loss. Now, let me tell you why we all want the vitamin sprays. Why vitamin sprays? With a pill, you only get about 23% absorption rate. With the gel capsule, you get about 35 to 40. With the transdermal patch, you get about 45%. Sublingual liquid, you get about 60 to 65%. We all know when we get sick and we really go to the doctor and the doctor sees that we're really, really sick, the first thing he says is, I must give you an injection. The reason for that is he knows that it will get into your bloodstream a lot quicker. So basically you're getting 80% with an injection. But now let's talk about the entel oil sprays that you spray into your mouth. You're getting 98% absorption rate from that. So that is very, very powerful. That is our products. Number 3 is I want to tell you what's happening inside of 10. We have a great October promotion. Now's the time to become one of the founding executive members of 10. And remember, we only have 1 day left to get this done. The time is now in October. Here's how you do it. Special promotion to become a founding executive team member. You want to go out and sign up, one on your right team, one on your left team, and help them each get there too, and you can become a founder of this company. So next I want to talk to you about is our comp plan as to how you can make money with this company. Number 1 is it's 10 different ways to make money here. I'm only going to go over a few because you can get back with the person that invited you to the call to get more in depth and detail of this. You want to become a member of the company. We have a package deal that's called a diamond package of $399.90 that will give you 23 of these sprays. If you're going to start a business, you need a business with product in your hand. So we suggest that you come in as one of our packages. We have a $399 pack and a $249.90 pack. So that will give you your products. Then you can go out and you can retail your product from wholesale to retail. Now, if you just want to be a customer, that's fine, but you still want to be a customer through the company where you're able to buy your product at wholesale. And then you want to go out and find 2 people with the same vision that you do to make a life change for themselves. Find two visionaries that want to go out and help you, the people that you want to work with, enjoy being with, talking with, friendship, because you want to be able to work with them on a day-to-day basis. You find 2, teach them 2 to find 2. The company rewards you a $50 bonus when you refer someone to the company to use these wonderful health sprays. And then as they go out and find 2, you get paid $25 to infinity. Then we have a car bonus with a point system that we have a $600 car payment, we have a $1,200 car payment, then we have a $3,000 car payment. and very simple to do, not hard at all. Now, we do have calls on a daily basis. We have Pastor Dale and Pastor Denise out of Maryland area that has a call every day at 11 a.m., every Tuesday and Thursday night at 9 p.m. We have what we call the Healthy Lifestyle Call by Pat Lowe out of Greensboro, North Carolina, our wonderful leader there. Myself, Cheryl Church here in Halifax, Virginia. That's at 9 o'clock. 8 o'clock prior to us, we have a call that's called Show Me the Money Call, which is done by Mr. T. We have Blitz calls Monday through Friday at 12-369. So the number for these calls is 605-475-4000, and the PIN is 102-3872 for the Blitz calls. Now, I want to give a special thanks to all of our wonderful team family because you're amazing. Keep on doing what you're doing, continuing to spread the word about Team Effort Network and those changing 10 sprays. We want to thank all of our leaders that's out there. We also want to thank Mel and Amy, the founders of Team Effort Network, thanking them for giving us sprays that's changing people's lives one spray at a time. Because I want to remind everybody that back in 1999, that the 25 best business opportunities out there is network marketing. So that is a way that can keep you from, if you do not adapt a plan for your future, you will stay in the odds against you. And at the age of 65, 75% of Americans are dependent on relatives, friends, and charity. 23% are still working, and 2% are financially dependent. This is why you should plan for your future, and this is what Mel and Amy has done for us. They have brought to us the fifth generation of nutrition, that not only are we out changing people's lives from a financial standpoint, but the reward behind this is changing people's lives from a health standpoint. So if you can change a person's life from a health standpoint, the finances will come. Think about the average American finances. Most of them are working 50 to 80 hours a week, working 2 and 3 jobs just to make ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, has bills stacked up, has increased debt, sleepless nights worrying about financial matters. Think about if you can go out and share this to 2 people and they share 2 and you get a residual income while you're not even working. That's the difference between network marketing and the corporate world. Worrying about being laid off, I think a lot of us know all about that right now, what's going on with the economy. Worried about saving for college tuition for your children. Worried about saving for retirement. And at a certain age, and when we do get retirement age, we're dead broke. So let's just think about that from a financial standpoint, that what Mel and Amy has brought to us, given us an opportunity to come in, start a business at such a low cost of $399.90. Now, let's think about the Americans' health. You look at it, you've got overweight problems sleeping, low energy levels with such a fast-paced lifestyle, joint discomfort and muscle pains, weakness immune system, recorded number of cancer, diabetes, high cholesterol, hypertension. We are so many baby boomers in this world today. We are the signs of aging. So common sense says that if finances and health determines our quality of life, then we should do everything possible to make sure that we are financially secure and optimal health. So this is what Mel and Amy has brought to us. Everybody needs to take a serious look at it, get back to the person that invited you to the call, and look forward to seeing you on the next call. Good night.